Why does your scanner show the P0810 engine code? What does it mean? P0810 is a diagnostic trouble code for clutch position control error. This engine code indicates that the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a malfunction in the clutch position sensor circuit, commonly found in vehicles with a manual or robotized manual transmission. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Electrical or wiring issues. Faulty clutch actuator. Transmission control module TCM failure. Mechanical clutch problems. Clutch hydraulic system issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Honda, and Toyota models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.